Guys, what's up? It's Mark. How's everybody doing? Check this out. I hope you guys got a good view of that close-up of the headlights, the beautiful clear corner headlights with amber turn signals, so that way it stays kind of legal in a way as far as the color of the bulb, and the brand new wheels and tires. Guys, these are a Vision 20 by 12 gloss black wheel, milled face, rivets around the edge of the perimeter of the wheel right here. Absolutely gorgeous wheel. I like it. These are my first, I guess I say my first set of these, and I like them a lot. They give some pretty good contrast to it. And you also have the option of switching them directional, this way facing that way or facing that way. I like them that way. It's like forward marching, so to speak, aggressive looking. I'm referring to the blades, the shape of the blades right here facing this way. So you have the option of switching them that side, going in there, flipping them around, but whatever, it looks nice. They're wrapped around the tires, wrapped around the wheels are a set of brand new. So grippy, look at that, so grippy, it's picking up rocks. Nipples are still on there. Titty twister, titty twister. These are a set of Evolux Rotator MT mud terrains. 35, 12, 50, 20 tire. Super nice tire, load range F. Really nice setup. Fox shocks, brand new sway bar bushings, painted to match mirrors, tinted windows, clear corner housing headlights, painted to match Chevy bow ties. It's a nice truck. It's got a nice lift kit on it too. This is a BDS lift kit right here, as you can see. It's a nice truck. It really is. It's got a full 4-inch exhaust system on it. What can I really say about it? You know, here's the info on it right there. 6.6 liter Duramax LTZ Z71 that came up as. So hope you guys like the video. I'm gonna do a few more clips at the end of this video. Here's the interior, gloss black. What am I saying? Get yourself together. Black leather interior, factory floor mats. I like how it's accented painted to match interior, as well as the this is actually, I believe that's factory, but this was aftermarket painted to match. Matches the silver of the truck. Really nice. I love when people do that. More power to you. I did that a few years ago, or actually 10 years ago on an F250. So I like that a lot. I like that. That's a good thing right there to do. A little accent, gives it character inside the truck. People always enunciate on the exterior of the truck, but interior is always really dull. That gives it a nice touch on all 4 corners. Under the bed, we'll go to the other side. Let's go to the other side. Cab corners and rocker panels. I believe this was a Southern truck, so obviously no rust. Here's the underside right there. Clean, clean, clean. Besides dirt, obviously you drive on the road. People get amazed, like, oh my God, it's dirty underneath, it's got surface rust. Dude, come on, you're driving a truck on a road with debris of all sorts. Anyways, on with that. Nfab step rails, Black Maxx tuner. We'll get to that in just a second. Small little imperfection right there on the seat. Other than that, it's in good shape. Whoever owned it jumped out of it properly by stepping here and then stepping on the ground. Clap, clap, clap. More power to you. Heated seats, memory seats, painted to match once again. We'll get in here. Clap your feet. Get on in. Wearing some Hey Dudes, by the way. 178,262 maintained miles. Runs really good. Pioneer doubled in Bluetooth stereo sound system. Black Maxx. There's your tuner right there. It's by H&S Performance. So there it is. Yeah. And exhaust brake, factory exhaust brake. Let's pop the hood and show you guys the power plant. Electric trailer brake controller. And you can piggyback this monitor too. So you can switch it on to fly or battery cable. What I mean by that is you can always have it on by switching the switch to battery, which means when the truck's off, or you can switch it to ignition. There's the VIN number, so you can scope it out, check it out. Fox Shocks 2.0. Yeah, super nice. I love it. I love it. I really, really do. A little bit of rock chips in the front, as you can see. A few rock chips up front here, guys. 6.6 liter Duramax. Fluids are clean. AFE cold air intake. Yeah. So There's the underside of that. We'll shut this big boy up here, boy. Look how aggressive these damn trucks are coming down the road. It's like, brrr, who wouldn't want to drive something like that? Minus the drive-throughs and commuting. Let's see what's up here. Oh, the box I was going to show you guys. Sorry to be so scatterbrained. There's the bed of the truck, nice and flat. No bed liner, which shows you the actual condition of who used it. Nobody really used the back end. There's my camera stand. Don't know why I brought that. Autotech. 1200 watt amplifier with a, ouch, can't even see under here. I think it's got a, I can't really lift it up. Anyways, oh, I can lift it up. I'm gonna do it for you guys. Ready? Kicker, 2 10-inch kickers. Look at that. 2 10-inch kickers in a box, nicely made. It's heavy as hell. Shows the quality of the magnets under the seats. So put that down. It fits perfectly. Perfectly. The back seat's in great shape. There's your door jambs down here. There's your door jambs right there. That's really it. That's all I got to say, guys. I do hope you guys liked the video. If you want more, subscribe, hit the notification button to keep you clued in when I post a video. All these trucks that I post, guys, are for sale. Okay? I try to have fun with them, but at the same time, I need to get down to business. They are for sale. I try to treat them as best as I possibly can and do the best work I possibly can by driving them each day, getting them inspected at our local Chevrolet, Ford, Dodge dealerships. So like I said, I'm not a mechanic, but beyond my knowledge, I try as best as I can. Beyond what I know, I try as best as I can. And I like to produce a good product. I really like to emphasize on, you know, a nice set of wheels and tires. Let me show you guys one more thing before I leave up. I put these wheels and tires on. I wanted to pick a good combination, and based on the lift kit that's on here, I measured it so it was perfect. Let me show you what I mean. H&S Performance. Come on. All right, ready? Listen to it. Ready? Sounds tough. So when you're backing up, don't put full strain on it. Back up while you turn the wheel. I'm gonna show you real quick. Full crank, back a little bit, put it in park. Let's go check it out. So as you can see right here, oh, I need to go back a little bit more. Right there. That should be good. Barely. It's got one finger, okay? One finger, guys. On the back side, you got probably 2 fingers at the full crank this way. 2 fingers, okay? Now, granted, with rebound, when you're jumping a truck or doing some dumb shit, it's gonna have a different trajectory. But parking lot princess or pavement princess, whatever you want to call it, it's got full turn right and full turn left, okay? So there is clearance right there. All right, probably 1 finger. I did not trim this. The previous owner trimmed it, but I measured it properly now based on the lift kit that's on it to fit the right size wheels and tires on here. 20 by 12s, okay? 20 by 12, negative 44 millimeter offset from the hub, wrapped with a 35 1250 20, okay? On Fox shocks. BDS 2011 Duramax. Does fit perfectly. Okay, I should have shut the truck off when I was talking to you. 2011 Duramax. So measured, as far as measured goes, yes, it's measured properly. Now, Baja racing and jumping all those cliffs that you young teeny boppers do, and you know, doing crazy stuff, hauling excavators with your Dirty Maxes that are lifted and putting all this wear and tear on something different things, that's not my business and that's yours. But what you do with it, that might have a different consequence based on suspension you need to run properly for your truck. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm not going to bore you with any more. If you have any more questions about this truck, it is for sale. You can call 540-898-3025 or visit superiorwholesale.org. Once again, this is Mark signing out. Superior Wholesalers. You can visit us at superiorwholesale.org or call 540-898-3025. Hope you guys like it. See ya.